Welcome to ANS Solver question 22. By shading the unwanted regions of the grid, draw and label the region R which satisfies the following three inequalities. So, let's do that. Y is less than equal to 2. So that would be the line, it would be a horizontal line like this. And make sure you use a ruler and to make an accurate line. Next, x is lesser than 3. This is, since it is lesser than and not lesser than equal to, you will draw a dotted line. So lesser than equal to 3 like this. Next, y is lesser than y is lesser than equal to x plus 4. So what you can do for this is you can input points. Let's make a xy table here, and you can input say 3 points, and so you can input x as 0 in one of them, you can input y as 0 in one of them, and x as 1 in one of them. So if x is 0, then y should be 4, because if x is 0, 0 plus 4 would be 4. Next, if y is 0, x would be negative 4, because the positive would move to the other side of the equation, and when positive moves to the other side of the equation becomes negative, so minus 4. And the last, which is 1 as x, if you put x as 1, you get 1 plus 4, which is 5. So minus 4 comma 0, that would be right here, and 1 comma 5 would be right here. So all you need to do now is join all the points like this. So you'll get your third line. Now we have to shade the unwanted regions. So y is lesser than equal to 2, which means that we need the below side, because we need lesser than equal to 2. So we have to shade the upper region, that is this part of the graph. Next, x is lesser than 3, which means we want the left side of the equation, or the left part of the graph. Therefore we shade the right part of the graph, because we don't want that. So let's do that like this. And let's move to the last one. Y is lesser than equal to 4. X plus 4, my bad. So lesser than equal to x plus 4 would mean the below part of the graph. That would mean this entire region. I'll mark it with red or another color, this entire region. So since let's go ahead and shade that as well. Since we want this, we'll shade the unwanted part, that is the left side of the region. So therefore the only part that is not shaded is this region. I'll mark it in yellow. That is this part, and I'll mark it as R as well. So therefore we have our final answer for question 24 as this R region, as shown, as I've worked out right here. So we can write that, write in black so that you can clearly see. You can write that R is the final answer for question 24.